You can easily access your library account online and use it to renew items you've checked out or pay library fines. On the home page, click My Accounts. You'll see two accounts, My Library Account and My Interlibrary Loan Account. To view books and equipment you've checked out from Atkins Library, click My Library Account. For information on books you've requested from other libraries, you'd use My Interlibrary Loan Account. If you're a student, faculty, or staff member, click NinerNet to log in with your username and password. On this page, you'll see items you've checked out, requests you've made, fines and fees, and blocks and messages regarding your library account. To renew something you've checked out, click the Loans link. If your item's eligible for a renewal, click the Renew link under it. The page will refresh with the new due date. If an item isn't available for renewal, you'll see Not Renewable. In this case, you'd have to return the item to the library. To pay fines online, simply click the Pay Fine link to access the online payment site. For help using your library account online, please contact the library.